Here we are in the Bavaria 34, listed with Boatshed Portsmouth. I just stood in the port side aft cabin, coming into the galley. Nav station to the starboard side. With the aft cabin on the starboard side. Lots of nice storage in this boat. You see on the pictures the opened up wider berthing. This boat is in really nice condition for her age. So I'll just bring you down here to the heads, port side. And bring you back out, swing around, looking aft. And bringing you round into the forepeak. Again, lots of nice storage in each of the cabins and a nice little seat. Spinning around, looking aft, walking towards the companionway. And I'll just show you the galley and the cooker